I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After slightly cooler highs this afternoon around 70, thunderstorms become more widespread this late afternoon through tonight when a disturbance moving east interacts with the stalled cold front. Storms could be severe through midnight with hail the size of ping pong balls and wind gusts to 60. Most areas are highlighted for a marginal risk of severe storms, a level 1 of 5, a slight risk, a level 2 of 5, covers south central to southeast Nebraska to the south of I-80, and central, southwest, and northeast Kansas. Off and on thunderstorms remain likely the first half of tomorrow and gradually diminish through the afternoon and evening. Tomorrow's severe threat, a low and marginal risk over far southwest Nebraska, western and central Kansas, and eastern Colorado. Weak high pressure keeps Friday through the early weekend mostly dry. More thunderstorms are likely by Saturday night through Sunday. As that main area of low pressure lifts northeast, thunderstorm chances continue, some of them severe, late Monday across eastern areas. Total rainfall through early Tuesday, expected to mostly range 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches. Friday is our coolest day with highs in the mid-50s to around 60. By Sunday and Monday, highs are in the mid-70s to the low 80s. Behind that storm's passage, highs drop into the mid-60s to the low 70s on Tuesday. For our long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures likely to continue Monday through the first 6 days of May in Nebraska and Kansas. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall indicated to be above normal early next week before dropping back to near normal rainfall late next week through May 6th. Soil temperatures this morning is 7 and at the 4-inch depth in the upper 40s across the panhandle. Most soil temperatures were in the low 50s, including areas along and west of a line from Columbus to Grand Island, Hayes, and far southwest Kansas. Soil temperatures as warm as the mid to upper 50s were over southeast Nebraska, along with central and eastern Kansas. Key weather factors driving the markets include planting delays and increasing soil moisture from rain in the U.S. and an improving outlook for rain in Brazil. The rest of the week, mild temperatures and periodic rain continues across the central and eastern U.S. East of the Rockies, only locations along and near the Gulf Coast remain completely dry. 5-day rainfall could reach 1 to 3 inches across the central and southern plains, western Corn Belt, Mid-South, Ohio Valley, and Northeast. Rain is accompanied by spotty severe thunderstorms, especially through tomorrow across the central and southern plains. The southwestern plains, especially the dry western wheat areas of Kansas, are expecting improved rain chances through the early part of next month. If the areas are missed, winter wheat conditions in the central and southern plains will drop even more. Central Brazil's wet season rains that now extend into next week will improve conditions for second crop corn going into pollination and filling. In the Black Sea region, conditions are good for planting but not growth. Limited rain continues this week in the Black Sea region before cooler and drier weather next week, keeping conditions poor for wheat development. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.